In a letter to HRD Minister Smriti Irani, the agitated students of NIT Srinagar have placed a set of 19 demands, including permanent deployment of CRPF on the campus, reshuffle of college administration, formation of Students' Council, option of outside evaluation of exam mark sheets, and celebration of national festivals at the institute. In the letter, the students wrote, "We request either the Honorable Minister of HRD or the Prime Minister of India to come with students to NIT Srinagar and hoist full-size Tiranga in the campus at its highest mast. This will end the leave taken by students and also give them a sense of security. This will reiterate the message that Kashmir is an integral part of India and students will have a psychological will over the anti-national elements in the campus as well as outside," the students wrote in the letter. The students have also demanded an inquiry against suspects in the recent incidents of violence on the campus and sought reimbursement of medical bills of injured students by the college authorities.
Powered by NNIS.